Welcome to KelownaPlumbers.com. Today's question is about allergy sufferers and people who need really high indoor air quality. Obviously, we have indoor air quality equipment that you can bring in, but generally, in a lot of cases, filters are enough. If you have severe allergies, obviously, we have a whole line of equipment that is specific to you and will solve pretty much all those indoor air quality problems. But for just normal filters, it goes on a rating system. So what I would recommend is if you do suffer from allergies, especially environmental allergies, make sure that you get yourself a nice MERV rating. So MERV is an acronym for, I think it's minimum efficiency retained value, something along those lines. But basically what it comes down to is it's a system for rating how good a filter is, how many particles it lets through. So the higher the number, the better the rating. In a lot of commercial facilities that are like hermetically sealed and we have to keep really high air quality in those places, they're usually running on a MERV 13 system. We see MERV 9 quite a lot, carbon filters. So there's all kinds of choices. If you have any questions about which filter is best for you and your family and your health, please just give us a call. We're happy to answer questions and help you where we can. Okay, folks, have a great day. Keep sending in those questions. We'll see you soon at KelownaPlumbers.com.